Hello, good evening everyone. Today we have Infinity Qx56. The front shield washer is not working. There's a leakage in the water pump down there. It's not working, it's leakage. Now we need to take off this to fix it, not to replace it. Okay. Let's do it. First thing we need to take off the air filter. I already release this screw. Keep it here. Take off filter. We need to release this screw with 10 millimeter, and this one only to release it, not to take it off. This one is not movable because the screw down we can't take it off. Now we have two screws now with 8 millimeter. This one I already release it, 8 millimeter. And here we have this one, also 8 millimeter. It's hard to do it. I think you need to do is like this. Put the 8 millimeter here. If you have another tool, it will make it easy. 8 millimeter. This one 10, and this one 12. Now we need to take it out, but first take off the tubes. This one, put it here. And this tube also, put it here. Now we can take it out. Hold it. With easy. Come here, please. Show this cable. You have to take off this cable. Make sure that you are not pushing too much. And this cable also. Give me. You see this cable? ليش ما عم صور. Now you need to take off this cable with care. After you're taking both of these, you can take it out. The problem was here. This one, there's water leakage. You can even replace it, or to put some silicone, and you can fix it.